Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. This is your friend John. Okay, so today I'm in a place called Big Bagan. Okay, like if you go this way, you will find the mall called Quays Mall. Okay, this is the environment where I am is called the Big Bagan in Paxigas. Alright, so today I'm gonna try this. Okay, it's called the Sikh kebab. Okay, and it's made out of beef. So if you love beef, this is for you. Alright, so they marinated this meat with different spices, and they have that charcoal burning there. They're gonna barbecue that. Okay, if you tried this, you let me know in the comment. And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, do not forget to smash that subscribe button and follow my Facebook page. So let's see how we makes it, and if you tried, you let me know in the comment. Okay, so yeah. Alright guys, look, तो इसमें क्या क्या दिया दोस्त?
बहुत सारा मसाला पड़ा।
क्या क्या मसाला?
अरे बहुत मसाला है भाई।
अदरक लहसुन है
अरे
all
बहुत
this, right?
मसाला, बहुत मसाला, गिनते गिनाते थक जाएंगे भाई।
Okay, like so he added he added many different spices. So yeah, so if you try this, you let me know. So you have this meat pieces, and he does it the way he does it. Look. So he has this rods, okay, and you have this charcoal burning here. All right, look guys. So that's charcoal there. Oh. If you try this, you let me know in the comment, guys. Yeah. So this is the outlet, like where I am, and he even frying this paratha. So if you wanna enjoy that Sikh kebab with this paratha, it's very tasty. But I'm just gonna try this. So yeah, guys, as I said, if you try this, you let me know in the comment. It's very delicious. If you come to Kolkata and you eat beef, you should try this. Okay, so I'm in an environment called Paksagar, as I said. Okay, if you go straight from here, you'll just like this whole area is called the Big Bagan area. So that's the main road there, and one of the biggest mall you will find here is called the Quays Mall. All right, so yeah guys, so look where I am. The environment looks like this. Alright, so here I am. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe, okay? And if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow. Alright, so yeah. So he's making it fresh, okay? Once he's done making that, I'm gonna show you how this turns out. So they have the small fan to make the charcoal burn faster, so the meat can cook faster. So yeah, so they have the small fan. This is how they do it. Okay, so it's almost ready, guys. It's called the Sikh kebab, beef Sikh kebab, right bro? हाँ भैया भाई, इसको क्या बोलता है? Beef Sikh kebab, big Sikh kebab, right? Yeah.
एक दुकानदार
So yeah, so the first lot is ready. Look, this is the one is ready. So I'm gonna try 2 piece. Okay, 2 piece दीजिए हमको. That's mine. ये मेरा है ना. So yeah. Look guys. So he added some onion. So this is the final result. So he squeeze a bit of lime just for taste.
Oh, mama.
That's the
Mint chutney.
mint chutney. Okay. All right. Thank you, brother. Okay, guys. So let's try this. And he gave me a piece of tissue, you know. So yeah. So if you love, beef and and the weather outside is like raining. So there's nothing better than this right now in this weather in Kolkata. Okay. So let's try this, guys. So I dip this into the mint, chutney, and yeah, let's try this. Cheers. It's nice. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog. If you're watching my vlog for the first time, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow. So in the meanwhile, I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Love, peace, likes my memories. This is your friend John. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Thank you.